The world of video creation is on the verge of a revolution. Get ready for Kling 2.0, launching on June 1, 2025. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation. With Kling 2.0, anyone can make professional quality videos. No experience needed. Imagine creating stunning visuals with just a few words. That's the power of Kling 2.0. It uses the latest AI to understand your vision and bring it to life. Forget expensive equipment and complicated software. Kling 2.0 puts the power of video creation in your hands. Kling 1.6 was impressive, but Kling 2.0 is in a league of its own. It boasts a significantly enhanced AI engine. This means faster processing, more realistic visuals, and a wider range of editing options. One of the most significant upgrades is the expanded library of templates and styles. Kling 2.0 also offers more control over details. Adjust lighting, textures, and even camera angles with ease. This level of customization was unheard of in Kling 1.6. Kling 2.0 is more than just software, it's a movement to make video creation accessible to everyone. We believe everyone has a story to tell. Kling 2.0 gives you the tools to tell your story in the most captivating way possible. No longer is video production limited to big studios and tech experts. Kling 2.0 empowers educators, marketers, entrepreneurs, and artists alike. Share your knowledge, promote your brand, or simply entertain the world. Kling 2.0 makes it possible. Kling 2.0 is incredibly powerful yet remarkably simple to use. It all starts with a prompt. Describe the video you envision and Kling 2.0 AI gets to work. It analyzes your input, understands your intent, and generates a stunning video in seconds. But the magic doesn't stop there. Kling 2.0 multi-elements editor gives you complete control. Fine-tune every aspect of your video, easily swap out elements, adjust colors, and add special effects. It's like having a Hollywood studio at your fingertips. Section 5, Kling 2.0 Your gateway to monetization. Kling 2.0 isn't just a tool for creativity, it's a powerful engine for earning. Businesses can use Kling 2.0 to create engaging marketing materials. Imagine crafting high-quality product demos, explainer videos, and social media content in minutes. Attract new customers and boost sales with eye-catching visuals. Educators can bring their lessons to life. Create captivating animated explainers or virtual field trips. Students can even use Kling 2.0 to make their own video projects. In the realm of entertainment, Kling 2.0 offers endless possibilities. Produce short films, music videos, or even animated series. The only limit is your imagination. Section 6. Kling 2.0 versus Sora, a tale of two AI titans. OpenAI's Sora has taken the world by storm with its impressive video generation capabilities. Kling 2.0 and Sora share the goal of making video creation more accessible. However, Kling 2.0 distinguishes itself in several key areas. Kling 2.0 prioritizes user-friendliness and intuitive design. Its interface is clean, uncluttered, and easy to navigate. Additionally, Kling 2.0 boasts an extensive library of pre-designed templates. These templates, tailored to various industries and video styles, provide a significant head start. Section 7. The Kling 2.0 Advantage: Speed, Simplicity, and Scale. Kling 2.0 stands out from the crowd. It's fast, it's simple, and it's scalable. Create stunning videos in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. No need for expensive equipment, complex software, or specialized skills. Whether you're an individual creator or a large corporation, Kling 2.0 adapts to your needs. Create a single video or produce hundreds for a large-scale campaign. Kling 2.0's cloud-based platform makes it easy to collaborate with team members and manage your video projects efficiently. Section 8. Visual Storytelling versus Conversational AI. Kling 2.0 and ChatGPT. ChatGPT revolutionized the way we interact with AI through text and conversation. Now, Kling 2.0 is doing the same for visual storytelling. While ChatGPT excels at generating human-quality text, Kling 2.0 masters the art of visual communication. Imagine the possibilities when these two AI powerhouses join forces. Combine ChatGPT's ability to craft compelling narratives with Kling 2.0's visual prowess. The result? An unprecedented level of engaging and immersive content. Section 9. Kling 2.0. Shaping the future of video creation. Kling 2.0 is more than just a video creation tool. It's a game changer. It's a powerful enabler of creativity, communication, and commerce. With Kling 2.0, the barriers to entry in the world of video production are crumbling. The future of video creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace the power of Kling 2.0 and unlock your full creative potential. The world is waiting to see your story.